Welcome to Gujarat, a vibrant fusion of traditions, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. Gujarat, a land of contrasts, is situated on the westernmost tip of India, adorned by the Arabian Sea's azure waters. With a rich history that traces back to the ancient Indus Valley civilization, it's a place where the air is heavy with tales of valor, resilience, and spirituality. From the roar of Asiatic lions in the wild to the silent whispers of the white desert, from the sacred chants in age-old temples to the hum of activity in bustling markets and cities, Gujarat is a symphony of experiences waiting to be discovered. This is a state where culture and nature find a harmonious balance, where every city, every village, and every lane has a unique story to tell. Here, one can find a diverse range of attractions, wildlife sanctuaries that are a haven for nature enthusiasts, awe-inspiring temples that echo the spiritual fervor, serene beaches that offer a tranquil retreat, and historical sites that stand as proud reminders of a glorious past. In the heart of this cultural mosaic, we find our top 5 must-visit places. These are not just destinations, but experiences that promise to leave an indelible mark on your memory. They offer a glimpse into the soul of Gujarat, showcasing its beauty, its spirit, and its heritage. First up, we have the Gir National Park, the only abode of the majestic Asiatic lion outside Africa. Next, we journey to the mesmerizing Rann of Kutch, a white desert that transforms into a canvas of color and festivity during the annual Rann Utsav. Our third stop is the ancient and sacred cities of Dwarka and Somnath, where every stone speaks of faith and devotion. We then move on to the serene Sabarmati Ashram, a testament to the life and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. And finally, we culminate our journey at the towering Statue of Unity, a symbol of India's unity and its aspiration for the future. So, without further ado, let's embark on an exciting journey to discover the top 5 places to visit in Gujarat. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Gir National Park. Nestled in the southwestern part of Gujarat, this park is the last remaining bastion of the Asiatic lion. A walk through this park feels like stepping into a world where nature reigns supreme and wildlife roams free. Distinct in its topography with rugged hills, deep ravines, and dense forests, Gir is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. But it's not just about the lions. The park is also home to a diverse array of other species, including the Indian leopard, sloth bear, and over 300 species of birds. The best time to visit? Plan your trip between December and March when the weather is pleasant and the animals are most active. An absolute haven for wildlife enthusiasts, Gir National Park is indeed an unmissable gem of Gujarat. Coming in at number 4, we have the mesmerizing Rann of Kutch. This expansive salt desert, one of the largest in the world, is a marvel unlike any other. By day it shimmers under the sun's rays, a vast white canvas that stretches as far as the eye can see. By night it transforms into a magical landscape, bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight. This is a place that truly captures the essence of the phrase, stunning in its simplicity. But the Rann of Kutch is more than just a natural wonder. It holds immense cultural significance, hosting the annual Rann Utsav, a celebration of local art, music, and dance. This is when the desert comes alive, adorned with colorful tents, bustling with activity, and echoing with the sound of folk music. The best season to visit? Winter, when the temperatures are pleasant and the desert is at its most enchanting. A place where time seems to stand still, the Rann of Kutch is a testament to nature's magical beauty. Securing the third spot on our list are the sacred cities of Dwarka and Somnath. These cities are adorned with history and spirituality, drawing millions of pilgrims each year. Dwarka, believed to be the ancient kingdom of Lord Krishna, is a treasure trove of mythological tales. Its crown jewel, the Dwarkadish temple, is an awe-inspiring structure with intricate carvings that leave visitors spellbound. On the other hand, we have Somnath, housing the first among 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. The Somnath temple, with its golden history and architectural grandeur, is a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. The best time to visit these divine cities is during the cooler months, from November to February. During this period, you can participate in the vibrant festivals and rituals that bring these cities to life. Dwarka and Somnath, where spirituality meets architectural splendor, truly deserve a spot on every traveler's itinerary. At number 2, we have the historically significant Sabarmati Ashram. A serene site nestled on the banks of the river Sabarmati, this ashram was once the epicenter of India's freedom struggle. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, orchestrated the historic Dandi March, a milestone in India's quest for independence. The ashram's tranquil surroundings are a testament to Gandhi's simple and ascetic life. A walk around the premises offers a glimpse into the past, with the ashram housing a museum showcasing Gandhi's personal items, photographs and writings, providing an intimate look at the life and works of this great leader. The serenity of the place, coupled with its historical significance, makes Sabarmati Ashram a must-visit. It's not just a place to explore, but an opportunity to reflect on our history and draw inspiration from the principles of truth and non-violence that Gandhi preached. Sabarmati Ashram, an essential piece of India's rich history, is a place that leaves every visitor inspired. And finally, at number 1, we have the awe-inspiring Statue of Unity. A tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, this colossal figure is not just a statue, but a symbol of unity and the indomitable spirit of the country. Rising majestically to a staggering height of over 600 feet, it stands as the tallest statue in the world, dwarfing even the renowned Statue of Liberty. The statue, located on the banks of the Narmada, is surrounded by a 20,000-acre plaza that includes a museum and exhibition hall. The best time to visit this architectural marvel is between October and March, when the weather is pleasant and the lush green surroundings are in full bloom. The Statue of Unity is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a testament to the resilience and unity of India. A symbol of unity and strength, the Statue of Unity is a marvel that stands tall, making it the top place to visit in Gujarat. So, there you have it, the top 5 places to visit in Gujarat. We've journeyed through the wild beauty of Gir National Park, marveled at the vast expanse of the Rann of Kutch, felt the spiritual energy of Dwarka and Somnath, found peace at the Sabarmati Ashram, and stood in awe at the Statue of Unity. Each place a unique experience, each experience a memory to cherish. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more travel insights. Until then, safe travels.